What's going on, everybody? Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and this one's for the phone nerds. This is it. This is the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. Right here, you got a 6.67-inch screen, 144 hertz refresh, dual SIM, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, Snapdragon 865, and comes in either 128 or 256 gigs with 8 gigabytes of RAM. And of course, you got the monster 108 megapixel camera. If you buy from my store, this is exactly what you're gonna get. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Pull off the top here, you got this designed by Xiaomi insert. Pull the tab here, SIM eject tool. Got some docks, nothing crazy here. USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter. And this nice soft case from Xiaomi. It's got a kind of good quality, not too bad. Got the phone here, 10T Pro, 108 megapixel camera, 144 hertz display, Snapdragon 865, 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 33 watt fast charging. And you can see here, this bump, this camera is just gigantic. And it's actually pretty sick. You can see it says 108 megapixel right there. Pull this to the side, we got USB Type-C to USB Type-A. And then the charger as well, if I can grab it here. This is the 33 watt fast charger. It is a international charger, but I provide an adapter with every single purchase. Slap it on there, you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. Again, if you buy it from me, this is exactly what you're gonna get. It'll have the proper tab on here. Everything is gonna come pre-installed with Google Play. There's no flashing. This is the global version of the product. And if you guys would be so kind as to like the video, comment below. I can show you how to get the best price, and subscribe to my channel. I would really much appreciate it, and I look forward to answering any questions you have and earning your business. Thank you very much.